Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add Selenium in IntelliJ. First, open IntelliJ IDEA and create a new Maven or Gradle project. This provides the structure for your Selenium tests. Next, you'll need to configure your project's Java Development Kit, or JDK, to ensure compatibility. This foundational step is crucial for all subsequent configurations and running your automation scripts smoothly. Now let's add the Selenium dependencies. For Maven projects, open your POM XML file. If you're using Gradle, open Build. Gradle. You'll need to add the Selenium Java dependency, which includes WebDriver and other essential components. After adding these lines, refresh your project to download all the required Selenium libraries. This step makes Selenium's functionalities available to your code. With dependencies in place, it's time to configure your WebDriver. First, download the specific WebDriver executable for your chosen browser, like Chrome driver for Chrome. Then, in your Java code, set the system property to point to the path of this executable. Finally, instantiate a new WebDriver object, for example, a Chrome driver. This object will allow your tests to interact directly with the browser. Finally, let's write a simple test. Create a new Java class within your project. Inside this class, you can write code to open a browser, navigate to a website, and perform basic actions like clicking a button or entering text. Once your code is ready, run the test. This will confirm that Selenium is successfully integrated into your IntelliJ project and ready for more complex automation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.